Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It, and today we have a long-awaited product that I should have got a long time ago. We have the Sonos Roam. Now, this is Sonos, I believe, their first portable speaker. We finally got our hands on it. I said, forget it, I'm gonna go buy this thing. So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what it's all about, and I'm gonna give you some of the details about the product. And here we go. Let's unbox this bad boy. Since it's not gonna be a true unboxing, because I just want to run through this, we're just gonna pop it open, and I'll let you guys know. You know what? Let's just make it a true unboxing. We're already halfway there. It's in the box. That's the box. Wire, USB type C, little side curvature on the wire. Bang, boom, bang. Paperwork. There we go. Nice little cloth on the speaker. I like it. I like it a lot. That's a nice little cloth. You could just actually keep it and use it to throw it in your bag and stuff if you don't want your stuff to get scuffed up. Now, this is the speaker. This thing is really small. Pretty small. I'm not gonna lie, here goes a little look at it for you guys. That's a small speaker. Nothing really going on, just one little port in the back for the USB type C to charge up. And you got your buttons right here on the top. So I'm guessing when you set it up, you'll just sit it up like this. It does have some little feet, you know, to sit down like that if you want to as well. So multiple angles going on, nothing really crazy going on with the speaker button wise though, but let's connect it. All right, apparently I was trying to turn it on and I kept pressing the button like it's not coming on. There's a little dot, you guys can't really see, it's so small, but it was on the whole time. It's just so quiet. There's no startup sound, nothing. And you need your phone, apparently your app, to connect the speaker. Okay, hold the back of your phone closer and move it around slightly to find the scan. We found your mobile device couldn't connect. So I couldn't get mine to connect, but the good thing at the bottom of this, there's a pin that you could just enter in, and that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm not about to sit here rubbing my phone against this speaker. So hopefully you guys have better luck. I'm just gonna enter the pin on here. So after you connect it, finally, it'll say it's connecting to your Wi-Fi. So it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, the little wet mesh Wi-Fi we have. So we'll see how long that takes. And hopefully I answered the password in right. All right, bud, so I have it connected. We're finally connected here. So now this is time for the sound test. We'll do an indoor and outdoor sound test. Before we get to the sound test, when it comes to battery life, you get 10 hours out of this. So that probably means when you have this on maximum volume, you're probably gonna get around 6 to 7 hours. I'm guessing that's what I'm used to when you have a speaker on maximum volume. The battery life just dies quick. Now when it comes to the water resistance of this, it is IP67. That means it's fully waterproof. You can drop it in the water, pull it out, you're fine, no problems. You're gonna be able to still play that music. And also it's dust resistant. So this is kind of a speaker that you can take to the beach and don't have to worry about anything because, you know, it's water and dust resistant. And that I do like about speakers. And also it says it's drop proof. I'm not gonna, it's white, this is so nice. I'm not gonna do the little drop resistance test or nothing on some concrete or anything, but it also is supposed to be, you know, drop proof. I just noticed with Sonos on the thing, I was looking at the logo and like, no matter, Sonos is never upside down. It's always Sonos. It's never a bad angle, Sonos. The speaker can also be voice enabled, meaning that you can talk to it with, you know, what's her face, Apple's girl. So you can use her to talk to the speaker because it's Apple AirPlay 2. So you can just connect your music and talk to it from there. So that also, it works with Apple, you know, products really good. All right, but it's super windy outside, but we're still gonna do the outside test. So let's see what it sounds like.
Swimwear, Kashmir caught me, I see colors all around me. I keep seeing stars, but I'm driving in an Audi. If you ain't down to ride, then why are you around me? Money bang my line, and I like how it's sounding. Paper towel bankroll, stacking up my bounty. Haters see it's cheese, and they can't stop frowning.
So let's do the indoor right now. Here we go.
Haters see it's cheese and they can't stop frowning. All this water on me, everywhere I go I'm drowning. Murakami pillow, living life so comfy. Murakami pillow and it came with a plushie. Off-white Vans off the wall like Humpty.
All right, bud, so when it comes to this Sonos speaker, the little Roam, the sound quality is really good. I like how clean it sounds. It doesn't clip, it doesn't give you a bad nasty sound in the highs. The bass works, the vocals sit out. So everything when it comes to that sounds really clean. So if you want something small, portable, really lightweight, and you want some good sound quality, you're definitely gonna get it out of this speaker. The sound quality is there, it sounds nice, like a lot of Sonos products. The only flaw I have with this speaker is it's not that loud, from the size, it's like, of course, it's not going to be super loud compared to like a JBL Charge 5, which is way thicker, you know, can fit more stuff in there to give it more volume, right? That makes sense. This costs about like $20 more than the JBL Charge 5. That's my problem with this speaker. It is $180 with taxes, California tax. You're looking close to $200 for this speaker, and for the volume that you're getting out of this, it's kind of hard for me. It's kind of hard for me to tell you guys go buy this speaker if you're a volume person. Now, if you need a speaker that you're not going to play loud anywhere, it looks nice, you want to put this on your office desk, your home desk, you know, somewhere, or you just need a nice little small portable speaker to take with you on the go, this will get it done because it sounds really good. It's really, really crispy in the sound. I like everything. It sounds good sound quality wise. If you're a volume person, if you're looking for loud volume, this might be a problem for you, is that it's not that loud for $180 pushing $200 after taxes. That's where you guys might be like, man, I thought it was gonna be a little bit louder. So I'm just telling you guys now, this is more of a stylish piece to me. It's like, yeah, I got that Sonos, you know, portable speaker, son. You thought they only made sound bars? Correction, they make portable speakers and I got one. That's what it seems like. It's more of a, I got it type thing to me. But if you guys might like my little breakdown, my little review of this, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I have more of these speakers linked up, not this one, but more speakers, budget friendly in the $100 range, like Soundcore Motion Plus, the JBL Charge 5. I just bought the Flip 5 because everyone wanted me to do that when I finally got it, so we're gonna do that as well. But I have those at the end of this video. You can click on the cards and check them out. And as always, buds, I'll see all of you in my next video. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.